Hi guys, now I'm gonna use it. First up, I have this. It is gel cleanser, and I'm gonna use it. It said 2 pumps on. First, I have to wash my face though. Let's put it under water. Okay, now I can use it. And then 2 pumps, 1 and 2, and then I just rub. It's soapy, and I put on my face. It's really moisturizing. It's so soft, literally. For some reason, it's not going on my head. Oh shoot, my hair. Now I think it's time to wash off. Okay guys, so now I have the 2, but this one is first. It's mist. I can't wait to use the mist, so let's open it up. Wow, I opened it down. So what is it?
It's mist.
So you spray
Just you spray on your face like. You want me to help you?
No, I can help you. It won't work.
Close your eyes. Make sure you close your eyes.
Close your eyes.
You cannot hit the camera.
Oh wait, okay, wait. Let me try to do it. Can somebody spray it for me?
I think it's open.
It is?
Yeah.
It's not coming
Yeah,
out.
Okay. Now. Yeah.
Guys, look how shiny my face looks. Why does my skin look so bright? Oh, this is really good. It just makes your eyes burn. Next, it goes right here. No, I don't use that next. Then Chloe and then me and then...
I'll just use this and then that's probably is gonna do it.
And then now I have this. My favorite, it is hydrating moisturizer. And it's a bubble. My favorite. That was a lot.
Just put it all over your face.
Look how much that is. So moisturizing, especially for my hands. This is rubbed them all over my
How
hands.
does it feel? Your skin feels good?
Amazing.
Amazing. How does it smell like?
I can't really smell it, but on my hands it smells a little bit like cream.
Oh, okay. So do you give it a thumbs up?
Thumbs up. Y'all should buy it. It's amazing at Walmart. Oh yeah, hi guys. So now it's my turn, and I'm also going to be using the gel cleanser. So first, I'm going to be using it. Put 2 pumps like this. It looks so white. And now I'm gonna do some from it everywhere. It might get in your hair.
It's okay.
And then you'll go like, okay.
Nice and clean.
My face is clean.
How does it feel?
It's so shiny. It smells
Shiny
so
and soft.
smooth. So now I'm gonna be using bounce back balancing mist. It's basically gonna balance my face. Yeah. So, not like if you put like fruit, it's like gonna be like good. Okay, that was a lot. Okay, I think I put a little bit too much. You're not supposed to put. Now, I'm gonna be using the Bubble Slam Dunk Hydrating Moisturizer. It's so cool. 1, 2. It's so cool. And wow. Rub it. It's so cool. And then use it on my face.
And neck.
And my neck. And hands. It's so cute.
How does it feel?
It feels so smooth, but it kind of burns my skin.
I know.
Because of how much mist I use. Now you guys learned a life lesson. Don't put too much mist or else.
Now let me show you all of it. So we had this.
And there was more. There was a daydream serum.
Yeah, it's a
And there was a box for acne.
I really wanted the dating serum, but this was the beginners because we never had bubble. My mom is the best and comes to my mom. But my mom's camera shy, so maybe we will do a face reveal.
When you have 100,000 subscribers.
No, like maybe we get a face reveal like next month, next year, 2025. 2026. Ew. I mean, like 3 months. I can wait like 3 months to give her a face reveal.
Yeah, well, you can see my hands.
Well, guys, just to let you know, here's a roller real quick. She's really pretty. She's the best mom ever.
Okay, goodbye.
Bye.
Like, share, subscribe.
Make sure to like and subscribe and comment down below who's your favorite. Bye.
And this is my face after.
How does it feel?
It's so soft and like moisturized, hydrated.
Okay, you recommend?
Yes, I recommend it.
Okay, say bye.
Bye.